Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a camera error code 0xA00F4243 and 0xC00D3704 in Windows 10 or 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we want to do is click on search and type in device manager. Here it is here. Go ahead and open up device manager. And now from here, on the drop down menu, look for cameras and then just expand cameras, and then you want to disable your webcam and then go ahead and enable it. Now if you're using an external webcam, just simply go ahead and unplug it and then plug it back in. And also try different USB ports on your computer or laptop and see if that fixes the issue. And now if we go back here and click on our camera, so our webcam, right click it and then go ahead and click on update. So I'll just show you with, for example, I'll show you with keyboard. So pretend this is a camera. So you want to go ahead and update and then click search automatically for drivers. And then if there's any updates, go ahead and update it. But if it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, well, you don't need to update it. All right, for the next fix, we want to click onto search and then type in camera. Here it is here, right click onto it, and then we need to head into the app settings for camera. And then once you're here, scroll down and look for the terminate button. So immediately terminate this app and its related processes. So click terminate. And then where it says reset, if this app isn't still working right, reset it. The app starter will be deleted. So go ahead and click on reset and give that a few moments to reset. All right, and for the last method, we want to go on ahead and click on the search again and type in CMD and open up command prompt. But we want to go ahead and run as administrator and click yes. All right, so now we've got the command prompt open, and then in here we want to type in SFC space / scan now, and then hit enter. And then it's going to do a system scan here, and now let that run its course. All right, once that is finished the scan, we want to type in this next command. So it is DISM. All right, so now we need to type in DISM online, clean up image, restore health, and then hit enter. And then once that scan completes, just go ahead and restart your computer.